Welcome everyone. Forecasters have been making note of extreme temperatures and dry conditions across the world, and it looks like Southeast Asia and Spain are not being spared. Last week, records were broken in both countries as temperatures reached a scorching high. In Vietnam, Hoi Chien witnessed the country's highest ever temperature of 44.1 C last week, breaking the previous record of 43.4 C set in 2019. Similarly, the neighboring nation of Laos recorded its highest ever temperature of 43.5 C in Luang Prabang. This is just a few weeks after temperatures in Thailand rose above 45 C for the first time. Now we're expecting a breakdown of the heat wave in the next few days, as a tropical disturbance is likely to develop across the Bay of Bengal. This will result in strong winds and significant rainfall in parts of Southeast Asia, potentially bringing some relief from the heat wave. Meanwhile, Spain has suffered from incredibly dry and hot conditions in recent weeks, with the country's overall temperature anomaly for April being 3 C above normal for the majority of its regions. And unfortunately, rainfall was barely at 20% of a normal April rainfall for most parts of the country, with some areas even receiving less than 10%. With the outlook for May not being very encouraging either, it does look like the drought could continue, with water supplies for cities such as Barcelona being affected during the summer months. We'll be keeping a close eye on the weather in the following weeks, so stay tuned for more updates. Until then, stay safe and be prepared against the heat.